everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today's recipe is a Bengali traditional recipe. It is a Sunday special or a weekend special recipe. Bengali mutton curry or mangsher jhol. It is my whole family's all-time favorite. So let's get started with the preparation.
Let's check the ingredients for Bengali mutton curry. Sliced onion 2 cups, ginger paste 2 tablespoons, garlic paste 2 tablespoons, green chili 5 pieces, mutton 1 kilo with liver and fat, potatoes 3 big pieces each cut into halves, yogurt 1/3 cup, bay leaf 6 pieces, cardamom 6 pieces, clove 6 pieces, cinnamon 2 sticks 1 inch each, dry red chili 3 pieces, salt 4 teaspoon, sugar 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 2 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder half teaspoon. The potatoes shown here are already fried before. I have already shallow fried them. Slice the onions in half moon shape as thinly as possible. Sliced onion defines the texture of the curry. The pureed onion or ginger garlic fine paste won't give the same result to the gravy. Pound ginger and garlic separately in a mortar and pestle till you get a coarse paste. Do not make fine paste. You can also use small wet grinder, or you can even use a grater to finely grate ginger and garlic. Wash and pat dry the mutton pieces along with liver and fat. Heat 4 tablespoons oil in a pan till smoking hot. Reduce the flame to medium. Then shallow fry the potato pieces till it turns light golden brown. Sprinkle little salt and turmeric powder over the potato pieces while frying. Peel the skin of the potatoes and cut them into halves before frying. I have used mustard oil for this recipe. You can use white oil or any other oil as per your choice. Once the potatoes are properly fried, strain them from the oil and keep aside. Now, in the same pan, temper the oil with bay leaf, dried red chili, cinnamon stick, green cardamom and cloves. Add sugar and cook till it caramelizes. Mangsher jhol is a Bengali mutton curry which is a classical preparation from the Bengali households. It is perfect for weekend meals. The red-colored gravy with plump potatoes is added attraction. Then add chopped onions and fry till they turn translucent in color. The recipe varies family to family. However, not the emotion of having it with piping hot rice. Now add ginger and garlic paste and cook till the raw aroma of the spices goes away. Now add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and mix thoroughly. Then add yogurt and cook for a few minutes. Now add in the mutton chunks and green chilies and mix everything very well. Keep the flame low and cook for around 7 to 10 minutes by vigorously stirring. You can use lean meat only or can opt for Rewazi mutton to make this curry. Mangshor Jhol is a light and comforting mutton curry prepared with mutton and potatoes. But to understand the difference between Mangshor Jhol and Kochi Pathar Jhol, you have to have both. When you see oil start separating, then transfer the mixture to a pressure cooker. It is a very popular traditional dish in Bengal. This gravy with strong flavors of mutton is a favorite at every Bengali household. Now place the fried potatoes over the meat. In the same pan, boil 2.5 cups water, then add the boiling water to the cooker. Now adjust salt and sprinkle garam masala powder and put the pressure cooker lid. Keep the flame medium and wait till 6 whistles come out. After 6 whistles, switch off the flame and open the lid once the pressure drops completely. Check the mutton pieces are done or not. If done, then serve it with steaming hot rice. This Sunday special Mangshor Jhol or Bengali mutton curry recipe is one of my most nostalgic dish. The noli or marrow pieces that is most coveted. Sucking it is what makes the Bengali lunch complete. Dear friends, if you enjoy the recipe, give it a like, share, comment and feel free to subscribe my channel. If you create any yummy recipes which I share every day, feel free to share your experience in the comment section. You You can also follow or message me on Instagram, where I share even more recipes and pretty pictures. I have shared the link in description below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Till then, bye.